Chief Resident section of Meerkat Mobius, a many-to-many medical mentorship forum. This is the legacy of the Chief Resident Incubator, or Crincubator project, established by the Academic Life and Emergency Medicine team. When we first started the Crincubator, communities of leaders seemed to be working on similar problems around the country simultaneously. We quickly realized that sharing this knowledge was more valuable than each program working in a vacuum. This program was originally a one-year longitudinal virtual community housed in Slack where chiefs from across North America came to discuss, debate, share, and teach each other. Topics varied from large questions like how to approach resident wellness to smaller, more focused topics like how many ED night shifts your interns do. Unfortunately, the community needed to be rebuilt each year and the wisdom and experience of previous chiefs was lost. Until now, welcome to Crincubator, Legacy Edition, a community of chiefs at Meerkat Mobius. What is Meerkat Mobius? Broadly speaking, it is an educational community focused on peer-to-peer mentorship in medicine, and we believe that answers to big questions should live on past the last 5 minutes. It serves as a forum, a collection of threads and topics that are user-generated and populated. It's a way to connect with others around the world and a place to come with questions, search for answers, answer other people's questions, and share resources. If you've ever used Slack, Overflow, or Reddit, you may already be familiar with how a forum like this operates. The Chief Resident Incubator Legacy Edition is the first large-scale community hosted on Meerkat Mobius. Once you get an invitation, registration is similar to most apps or websites. You'll need to choose a username and password. Once you've done that, you're in. Welcome to the community. You can see the topics on the front page, usually organized by most recent activity. In the upper right corner, you can access search and profile settings. This is also where you receive notifications. Starting a new topic is easy. Just pick a subject, select the chief category, tag it if you want, and you're in business. Using the @ symbol, you can tag specific members and hit create to post it. This website also allows you to generate a poll, similar to Twitter or GroupMe. Just click on the gear and select Build Poll. You can give it a title and enter different options on separate lines. Notice that you'll see a preview of your post on the right. Once you post it, it's live for responses, but if you make a mistake, no need to panic. You can edit and revise your post. Here's an example of getting a notification for a reply. Click in the upper right to see it. Once you get accustomed to the site, head to the Hello, My Name Is topic and introduce yourself to the group. We would love to know who you are. You can adjust your notification settings on private messages as well as topics on the site. Choose whether you want to be pinged every time there's a new message, just when your name is mentioned, or not at all. You can also be alerted based on specific topics. If you're into email notifications, you can choose that. In fact, the activity summary is nice, as it'll give you a weekly email digest if there's any new forum activity. In addition to the main forum, you can send and receive private messages from other members. Here we demonstrate with a super helpful robot, which you can use to gain greater understanding of the functionality of the site. You can see that like all posts on the forum, there's an option to like a post, bookmark it for later, or reply. If you want to send a message to another member, just click on the New Message button. The recipients field will autofill with existing members. This works pretty much like an email. You can see a preview of your message on the right and add emojis or GIFs. We love GIFs. Crincubator Legacy is also accessible on your mobile device. Just download the app called Discourse, type in meerkatmobius.org, and hit connect. Click the Authorize button and you should be good to go. The mobile site works identically to the desktop version. Crincubator Legacy, hosted on the Meerkat Mobius forum platform, is meant to be a community for and of emergency medicine chief residents that will evolve and revolve around their needs. Our philosophy is peer-to-peer mentoring and creating a repository of knowledge, a knowledge base over the years. Can you imagine if you had started your chief year with years of lived experience, advice, and insights at your disposal? Let's start building. Welcome to the mob.